Hello, I'm Jackie, and today I'm going to show you how to run a live test on your system funnel. What I'd like to do first is take you back in and just go through viewing the funnel before we actually test it live, just in case. So if you come up to, you could either do view funnel set or view funnel, but let's just view the funnel. This will give you a view of it. So yours would obviously look very different to mine. And we just want to check that the credit card information is coming up correctly and the information that we need to put in, and that our £1 or our $1, whatever you want to charge for your test, is coming through. And I can see that that looks all okay. I'm happy with that. So I'm going to close that down. Now, what we need to do now is we need to create a new session, as in a new web browser. So I can't, yes, I can do it. There you go. I'm in incognito at the moment, so don't worry about that. That's not an issue. You'll just be in your normal browser. And I'm just going to go back to the order form. So you're in that front page of the funnel. Yeah, and you've got the title. Now here is where you would have your information of the funnel name. You might have sort of a few digits, but I've just renamed it. I'm going to copy it here. So you just press onto there, copy to clipboard, and then I'm going to try and go up to here. And then I'm going to right click and paste. Just bring that back down again. So this is live. This is what they'll see. And obviously this is being tested on a desktop. It's not being tested on your mobile phone. So I'd always get you to test it on your mobile phone as well. Potentially, I would do a transaction, a $1 or £1 transaction. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to just stop the video for a second while I'm putting the information in. Okay, so I'm back. I just put the details in. It did actually ask me for my particular bank, which is HSBC. It did actually ask me to confirm the transaction via my phone, via a text message. So it depends on your bank. But now it's told me, thank you for your purchase. And then what I'll do next in the final video is just show you what emails come through, and then you're pretty much done. So well done for getting to this stage. If you have any issues at this point where maybe you haven't been able to enter the details in properly, or it's invalidated, or if anything goes wrong, just shoot me an email and I'll see if I can help you. So thank you for your time, and I'll see you in the last video.